How can I get free internet data for my laptop? Are you asking internet data or free internet tricks? If you are asking about free internet data, then no one will give you, networks, free internet data. If you are asking about free internet tricks, then you can get free internet by different networks like Airtel. As you are using Airtel, you can simply follow below settings. 1. Set up your mobile hotspot or interlink data connection. 2. Then open Chrome or Firefox and go for proxy settings. 3. And put in proxy section, proxy.com and port 80. 4. Now open new tab and type airtelive.com. 5. And enjoy your free browsing. I said only browsing, not downloading, okay? 6. Or else download new Psiphon for iPhone VPN and enjoy free internet. Thank you.